All right. Over. All right, so we got to go over there with all this. Nice and easy. Okay, so here is the sink with the condensation. The reason we can see that is because if we just follow this one over there, it just goes down. You might say, okay, well, where does it go from there? There's a trap inside the wall at the ceiling height, so just below this 2x4 here, or the top plate. Now, as you can see, there's some bleach around here. So the folks before had already dealt with this issue before. It's not the first time. Another reason I know that, I noticed this earlier. So we'll put that together, but in the meantime, it does help us to gain access to that particular line. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run this machine here down that drain, and we should be able to actually hear the clog clear. All right, so let's get to it. All right, so we're there, feel a little resistance, so we're just gonna give it a little juice. There we go. Set this down. This is a one-step cement. Perfect for these vent applications. Okay.